Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Toilet Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction, Arcadia, episode 41. I've got some exciting closet progress to show you today. Alrighty, you can see here we are. Oh, I'm going to scan back out a little bit. Here we are getting all the closet products set up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So here across the top, we've got some rubbish shelf pull down rods so that that'll all be easier to access and load and unload. Across the bottom, we'll do our double hanging with rods. Yay! Long hanging over there on the end. We'll do a double hanging in the center down here. And then this glorious wall of shelves over here. Oh my goodness, we've got so much storage packed into this closet. It's gonna be amazing. And yes, we did make the shelves behind the door shallower so that the door would open. Doesn't that look fantastic? Oh, and then these floors. The floors are almost done, but don't they look incredible? They are so pretty. The other thing we're working on in here is getting in baseboards. Woohoo for baseboards. And then, hi Justin. And we've got the shower. Oh, the shower tile is almost done. Doesn't it look amazing? We were super excited when we found this one. We kind of think it's gonna look like a waterfall going down that wall. And then our view, yes, that glass will get changed, so it's privacy. One of our COVID hits is that obscure glass has been out of stock. So they sent us the unit so we could put it in, but now we're waiting for a replacement part. Oh, super excited, that's almost on its way. And then this other wall with all of the setup for the plumbing. Oh, it's gonna be just an amazing shower space. Isn't that huge? Oh, goodness, goodness. Friends, thanks for being here with us again. I'm so glad you're on this journey with us for day 41 in Arcadia. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.